Well, no, this video is not a total clickbait. Indeed, PMPLounge.com is shutting down. Now you might wonder why. Why is this happening? Why? Where are you going? What are you going to be doing from here on? So, well, PMPLounge.com is indeed shutting down, but we are basically shifting to a new domain called PMCLounge.com, Project Management Certifications Lounge.com. So that is where we are moving. Nothing else is really changing, but just wanted to kind of make this video and give you an update that change was coming from pmblounge.com to pmclounge.com. The work is still in progress. It is a lot of work. We have more than 250 articles, actually close to 300 articles that are moving from PMP Lounge to PMC Lounge. The technical background, right? The underlying technology that is used on websites, so that is also changing. So we are basically, it's not a matter of copy pasting, it's a matter of, underlying technology change as well. So it is a lot of work, it is in progress, but just wanted to make this short video and give you an update that we are moving to a new domain, pmclounge.com, right? Our social media handles are going to change. We are actually looking to kind of shift to PMP Lounge to PMC Lounge. I'm also trying to see how we can, have certain new handles so that our new URLs, right, they also change and they also reflect PMC Lounge, right? So one of the important things here to consider is that on our older videos, right, some of the links might not work because those links might still be pointing to pmblounge.com, which of course is going down. And so we are actually going to be updating every single video that we have ever posted, and again, that's close to 300 videos, so it is going to take time, but we want to make sure that even for our older videos, the links that are available in the description, they hold true. They point to the right articles. They don't point to PMP Lounge, they point to PMC Lounge going forward, right? Now, again, you might ask, why are you changing from PMP Lounge to PMC Lounge? Everything was going great. What's wrong? What has happened? What has changed? So the thing is, we wanted to stop using the credentials PMP because that's a copyright of PMI. So we wanted to kind of get away from those credentials. That's one thing. And the other thing is that we are now planning to cover other project management certifications as well, not just PMP, but we are also going to be covering other project management certifications like your Prince 2, like your agile related project management certifications. So we are kind of planning to integrate them, and then having a domain as PMP Lounge didn't really fit into that change. We want to have something more generic, and that's why PMC, which stands for Project Management Certifications, so that we can speak about every other project management certification under the sun, and create content based on them, right? Be it articles, be it video, or whatever. There will be some feature improvements. We are trying to enhance some of the features that you find on pmblounge.com, including a better looking a website template, a better outlay of the entire website. We are trying to have that. We are trying to kind of improve on certain features, certain search features that are there on the existing website. When we move to PMC Lounge, we want to improve on those search features as well. Again, the entire idea is to make use of this change from PMP Lounge to PMC Lounge to make sure that we implement some of the features that we were looking for, and we were not able to scale because of the underlying technology that was being used on the website PMP Lounge versus the underlying technology that we are now going to be using on PMC Lounge. If you have any suggestions, this is my last point before I close this video. If you have any suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments. You can always send an email as well. pmblounge@gmail.com is still working. Our new email address will be admin@pmclounge.com. So feel free to drop suggestions on the comments, send us email, hit us up on our social media, Twitter or Facebook. Like I said, we are in the process of changing the our handle names on the social media, and we are also in the process of changing our custom URLs on social media. So that is again work in progress, a lot of work in progress actually. I hope you when everything's done and dusted, I hope you will be you like the new things that we introduce on pmclounge.com. So that's all that I will plug in the video that we have kind of created to allow this move from PMP Lounge to PMC Lounge. So after this video, stick after this video to check that short promotional video out. So that's all that I had in this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and check us out on our social media handles as well as our new website pmclounge.com. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye bye.